Welcome to the Geely EX5. I'm Rory Reid, and I'm here to help. The Geely EX5 has the ability to charge a wide variety of electrical items using the car's high voltage battery. Behind the charging door, you'll find a Type 2 charging connector. Using a compatible V2L adapter, connect your device to the car's Type 2 socket. The V2L feature will then provide 3.3 kilowatts of electricity. To put this into perspective, that's enough electric clout to power a mini fridge, an electric grill, or even a standard kettle. Open your App Center, select Energy, and then make sure Vehicle to Device is selected. Then select your power reserve level as shown. Remember, your high voltage battery needs a minimum of 20% in order for Vehicle to Device to function. As an added bonus, you can also charge another electric vehicle using your Geely EX5 at up to 6.6 kilowatts in order to give them energy to get to a charger. To find out more about V2L or to get a V2L adapter, contact your Geely dealership. Need to know something else? Check out the website for more how-to video manuals.